How to share live location on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, go to the conversation that you want to share your location with. Once you're here, click on the 4 dots at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on location. And once you're here, at the bottom of the screen, you will see a big blue button that says Start Sharing Live Location, and it has a period on it. So click on it. And as you can see right here, your location, your live location will now be shared with this person, meaning that whenever you move or go to any place, he will be able to see your location. And until the period ends or you end it yourself. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share live location in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.